Hello guys, I am Alka Parmar, co-founder of the PowerPoint Co-working Space. And as all world are struggling with the COVID-19 crisis, and mainly startups who were started a year back or 6 months back, they were just starting to stabilize themselves, but now situation is something different. Uh, and I just want to tell you one thing from my previous experiences. The situation was normal, though I have started 3 different startups, and uh, all of them like was unsuccessful. But something I have learned from those unsuccessful attempt, and I can tell you one thing: if you are struggling with the your startups and the company, and you are maybe a single person company who are working something, and in this situation you are not coping up, I just want to tell you one thing: just go to your accounts, check how can you survive next 6 months. If you are not getting any profit or not able to take any margin for yourself, that is fantastic, like perfectly okay. But think about the survival. If you are able to survive for next 6 months, then it's okay to be continue with that the particular business, but don't lose your hope and keep working. Apart from that, I just want to tell you one other things. There are always one person who will support you in any situation. Find that one person, maybe a male, female, friend, mom, dad, whoever it is. Find that one person who can give you moral support, and don't tell you like stop your business and now this is not going to work, situation is going to worst and all. Don't listen all these things. I can tell you, just listen to one person who believe in you, and that's how you can gain your confidence again. And third and most importantly, if you have your own savings, that is your own. Don't use it for the company is something different that you are working for, and your personal identity is something. So when you are where you are going through your own financial crisis, there your company will not going to stand, because financial independence is must for your own well-being. So save yourself, your money for yourself, and whatever the company has, use that for a company and try to rebuild your company with those money, as well as try to find some common connects which are like doing business in the same category which you are working on. Don't think about the competition. It's a time to collaborate and success. So if you have someone who's working in your industry or your field, if he or she is able to collaborate with you, work on some percentage basis, or find out some work like ways where you can work out, and you can stabilize some income for your company. So that is what I can say. All the small startups, and you are started a year back or 6 month, and this situation is going to stabilize. Maybe it will take 3 or 4 months, but yeah, we all are human, or we all need business, we all need our livelihood. So definitely people will be taking their fear apart, and they will be going to ahead with their own work. Maybe it will be little hectic for 2-3 months, but after that everything will be a little normal for the businesses. So for these 3-2 months, you find yourself to be motivated by watching books or maybe videos, or working on your project which you are not in your normal time you are not able to get your time to find out new ideas and new ways and new collaboration. Utilize this time to all these activities. That's what I can say. See you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.